Y'all want to see if Luigi's is open? Oh, I think it's open.
Connie, there's something in the trash can and it's alive.
What?
Now, here, there's something in my trash can. Listen. Can you hear it?
I hear it. What is it?
How should I know? All I know is it's alive and it's in my can.
Well, take it easy, and why don't you go down there and take a look and see what's in there?
Yeah, right. Why don't you go down and take a look and see what's in there?
Well, you're not chicken, are you?
Of course I'm not chicken. I'm not chicken, I'm a rat.
I'm not chicken, I'm a
You
rat.
sound like a chicken to me.
Oh, all right, I'm chicken. What about you? Why don't you go down and see what's in that can?
Well, I would be glad to, but I can't leave the store right now, and because Luigi left me in charge.
Sure. Okay, I'll stay here and be in charge and watch the store while you go check out the trash can.
You go check.
Well, whatever it is, it sounds like it wants out.
Well, why don't you go let it out?
Well, I can't leave the...
Can't leave the store, right, yeah.
Hey, it's not making any noise. Maybe it's dead. Well, go see what's in it now.
Wow, you're a big help. Now you want me to go look into a dark trash can with some dead animal.
Well, if it's dead, you have nothing to be afraid of. Well, go ahead. I'll be right here. And if you need help, just holler.
I don't like this at all. I don't like it. Okay, I'm going to go down and take a look.
Okay.
I said I'm going to go down and take a look. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going. Right now, I'm going.
Okay. I'll dial 9-1. Ronnie, what is it, Ronnie? Are you okay? What is in the can? Well, take your breath. You look okay. I don't think you're missing anything. What is it? What did you find?
A bird.
Nah.
What's so funny?
A bird. Oh, all of this over a little bitty old bird. A little bitty old bird.
Little? That thing was huge. It had a beak and it had wings and everything.
No, I thought all
Are you
birds
showing
had
the
beaks
picture?
and wings and everything.
Yeah, but this bird, it was mean and ferocious.
Oh no, a mean, ferocious bird, huh? Ooh, scary.
Yeah, with a beak and claws and everything.
Well, why don't you give the little old bird something to eat? I'm sure it was just scrounging for some food and got trapped in your trash can.
Give that bird some of my food?
Oh my, aren't you selfish today? Well, okay, fine. I'll get some breadsticks from the kitchen, and then you can give them to the bird.
What? You give that bird a handout and he'll never leave.
Just like some rat I know.
Who?
You!
Me?
Yeah, you. How long have you been living in Luigi's trash can, living off the fat of the land?
But that's different.
Just how is that different? Luigi helps you out and makes sure you have plenty to eat.
Yeah, but this is different. I think that little bird down there is a crow. A big black crow.
Well, so what if it is a crow? Crows have to eat too.
Yeah, but this is a big black crow.
Listen, Ronnie, all crows are big and black. And besides, aren't you a big gray rat?
You just don't get it, do you?
Why can't
Well,
you just
you're the one who doesn't get it.
So I'm supposed to share my food with my trash can with a big black crow.
Your trash can? Your food?
You know what I mean?
I don't think so. You know, the Bible says we are all God's creation. Red and yellow, black and white.
Yeah, but that's for people.
But God created all of us. You, me, Luigi, and that big scary black crow.
Share my food, huh?
Share your food.
Share my can.
Share your can. Look, he'll probably fly home when he gets something to eat and gets out of that can.
Fly home, huh?
Sure. I'm sure he would much rather be at home in the streets than stuck in that can.
Hey, where are those breadsticks?
They're in the kitchen.
Hey, wait, I gotta go. I gotta go feed the bird. See ya.
Oh, Rodney. Sometimes I just don't know about that rat. I think he's a little messed up. Too much rotten pizza.
Hey, Johnny. Rodney say he got to go a bird in the trash can. A bigger, blacker crow.
Well, I told him he could feed him them old breadsticks in the kitchen.
Oh, that's a good, Johnny. But you know, it's surprising me that Rodney, I think he always kind of a selfish and think of himself, but he's a bigger, nicer Rodney, so he feeds the bigger, hungry bird.
Yeah, it is nice. I think he just wants the bird out of his can and back in the trees.
Yo, that reminded me of a saying. A bird in the hand is better than a two in the bush.
I've heard about that.
In this case, it's a bird in the can. And it is not better than a crow in the bush, yo. Hey, poor old Rodney.